Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome into Beauty and Beyond. I am here to present my Partners in Cream finale for 2023. This really cool project focusing on cream and liquid products was created by Steph Lyons. Their information is listed in the description box below. I have reflected on my progress and all of the things that I was able to use up over the course of 2023. Coming into December, I had 3 things left and I finished 2 of those 3 things, and this one is so close to being done, I pretty much might as well call it complete. This Bath & Body Works lotion and the Sunrise Woods scent has that much left, and I bet within the next couple of days I will have that used up. I'm so thankful that I was able to really use this project as a way to use up some things in my makeup and beauty collection. I used this project not just for makeup, but also for hair care things and some skincare things. So let's go ahead and dive into the progress that I made and the things that I used up this year. First, a hefty one that I was really thankful, it took me almost all year long, was my Honest Beauty Cream Blush. And I'm going to pop a picture up so that you can see what it looked like at the very beginning of the year, and it's all the way gone. So happy about that. I used up a mini of the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist setting spray. I enjoyed that one a lot. I used up a mini Black Honey from Clinique, and it was okay. It wasn't really like, I didn't feel like it was that flattering on me, but it was fine. I used up what was left of my Aquaphor Baby Healing Ointment. Took me forever, but I finally finished it up. I also finished up a small of the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. And that was a really nice cleansing balm that I did enjoy and wouldn't mind purchasing a full size of, as you know, cleansing balms are getting used up for the next year. Then I had, and I know that I at this point in my my playlist, I think I missed a few things, like a few videos. So I think I used up more hair care products than just this, but I started out with 2 little like sample sizes like this of the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner. And then once I finished those, I was going to use some more hair care products. And I know that I did that, I just don't know what they were. So I was able to use up the little skinny tubes of that shampoo and conditioner. I used up a small of the Bath & Body Works Sweater Weather Lotion. It was just like one of the little travel sizes that you get. I used up the Way Volume Hairspray. It wasn't all the way full, but it surely was pretty full. So I used that all up. I used up, so in this project at some point was my e.l.f. 16-hour setting spray, and I didn't finish it in the project, but I did finish it later, so it is gone. I also finished up 2 of the Clinique eye makeup removers. That was awesome. I finished up the Say Slip Tint. I didn't finish it in this project, but I did finish it later on in the year. I also completed the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, 2 mini Laneige sleeping masks, and Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Woo woo! A mini of the Grande Lash Serum, and probably a few more things. The only 2 things that I did not complete within this project were this MAC color corrector. I just decided I didn't like it anymore and it wasn't flattering on me, so I just stopped using the whole thing altogether. And then, funny enough, this Hemp's lotion, which I kind of like misplaced, sort of, between my big move that I made. I thought that I had finished it because I couldn't find it in the one place that I normally put it at our old house. And then later on I found it. So I didn't actually finish this little small Hemp's lotion. So it'll get used up next year in 2023. The grand totals of products that I used up were 7 makeup products, 9 skincare products, and 3 or more, because I wasn't sure, getting lost in the videos, hair care products. I'm very, very happy with the progress that I made. Thankful for this project. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to do Partners in Cream next year because I have an upcoming video, so please make sure that you're subscribed and you have your notifications on, because I have been reflecting a lot on project panning and if that's right for me, and so I haven't really quite settled yet on what I want to do as far as projects are concerned for 2024. And so make sure that you're stay tuned so that you can find out if I decide to do it again. Thank you so much for watching this video and for encouraging me along the way. I will see you in my next video. Bye.